Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome. Hey y'all, so y'all know I be getting into stuff, right? Like I be making up tasks and jobs for me to do because I be getting bored. So you see all this stuff right here? It comes from the under the sink cabinet. It was stink under here. So I decided to go ahead and clean it out. I wiped it out as best as I could. Let me just show you. Well, it's the chipping from the paint. So I want to go to Dollar Tree or something to get some contact paper. I know they sell that. I want to get some contact paper to put under there and some of those organization things to hold this stuff. So we're gonna organize this kitchen cabinet. Y'all not just be making up stuff, right? But it was stink under there and I couldn't take that. I'm also thinking about cleaning this situation today too. Maybe not the top today. I want to cook some spaghetti tonight and I want to have it done by the time Brian gets home. So, well, at least start it. Spaghetti don't take that long to cook no way, but I wanted to clean out the oven and I wanted to use this right here. The Easy Off, if it'll focus. Easy Off, you guys know I love using this stuff. I mean, the oven is not too bad, but it needs to be clean and we're gonna be using that today. So I will clean out the oven, just probably not the stove today, okay? Because see, I've been making up stuff for myself and then I don't even be giving myself enough time. Anyway, let's go to Dollar Tree and get some contact paper and some organization things to organize under this cabinet. All right, y'all, so I'm happy that I looked at this. I did put my hair up right quick, but this actually says to spray it and wait for 2 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it right now, and then hopefully by the time we get back, it'll be ready to go. Let me explain to y'all something about how hard it is. How hard, it's so hot I can't even talk right. How hot it is in Florida, okay? It's 109 degrees. It's so hot. I went to Family Dollar today, right? When I got back home, I'm trying to cut this AC on max. When I got back home, hold on. When I got back home, I was trying to open the door to the house and it wouldn't open, right? Oh my God, I should have brought some tissue, paper towel. The door wouldn't open, so I'm thinking, did they change our locks? But really, I was using the wrong key. So, the heat, I told y'all, the heat really messed with your mind, especially when it's 109 degrees. I've been living in Florida all my life and I'm still not used to the heat. Like, I don't think I'll ever get used to the heat, like ever. Hold on, y'all. I gotta let the car, I was gonna say cool down. Okay, so hold on. Forgot to tell you guys that I did my nails yesterday. It won't focus. Let me see that. This color, pink. I've never had this color pink. I always go for the lighter colors, if you guys haven't noticed. But I ordered this color from Amazon, gel polish, and I wanted to try it out. It's just not showing when I go up close. And then you can't really see it when I go back. But I actually like it. I usually like lighter colors, but I paid for the polish. I need to use it. I should have got me some water instead of this tea. I should have got me some water. I don't think we have any cold bottles in the refrigerator. I see y'all when I get, oh, I have to go to my P.O. box. So I see y'all at Dollar Tree. Nobody told you today. I'm gonna tell you. You're awesome. I just sat in the car for like 10 minutes because I needed to recoup. My package did not come still. But we're about to go in the Dollar Tree. I'm feeling like I'm not gonna find the baskets or whatever you call them in Dollar Tree because they're so colorful. I don't know if I want that. So I may be going to Michael's. I do have a coupon for Michael's, so we'll see if they have something decent in here. Like maybe white or black. Usually I see like school colors like yellow, blue, red. I don't really want that. Okay, y'all, so I see these. These aren't what I'm looking for. These are colorful like I was saying. I only see pink, blue, green. That's not what I'm looking for. I feel like I need one of these because this is not really even hard. I feel like I need this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna get this. I need it. What I'm looking for. I saw that they had a crafting corner. I'm gonna check that out too. So I think this is their crafting corner. Excuse the noise from this cart. Yeah, I mean crafting square. What is this? A cutting mat. At Dollar Tree. I'm looking at this. I didn't come in here for this. They have little canvases. What is this? Yeah, that's a canvas. They have paint. Ooh. For $1. They even have acrylic paint, y'all. I wonder how good this is. Oh, these will be good to do with kid or something. Oh, should I do it with Graham? He could put his paws around here. I don't even know if that's safe for him to do. I'm not even supposed to be over here. I'm looking for something like this, but of course the ones that stick, that's not what I'm looking for. I don't see it. Don't say that yet, Meek. You haven't even really looked. Okay. Is this it? Banner art paper. Does this stick? How am I supposed to know? I don't think this is it. We might have to go back to the crafting square. Y'all, look at this towel. If you want to do something inexpensive, Dollar Tree got you. Self-adhesive wall towel. They make it look so cute. Oh. Very soft. And they only have that color. Okay, y'all, so I found it. They have different kind. What is this called exactly? Adhesive covering. That's it? Okay. So they got this kind. They have this kind, floral. That's not the kind I want. They got this kind. I'm thinking maybe get this one. I think I may just get know how many I need to get. Maybe one. I think one will be enough because it's not that. Yeah, I'll get one. They do have, what is this? I don't know what that is. They do have a darker one, and they have this one as well. I'll just get this one. Nobody's gonna see it anyway. Okay, y'all, so this is all that they have. Now, I was looking at this, but I don't think this will be helpful because I don't want the stuff to be able to fall over. That's the main problem right now. And some of these aren't deep enough, and then it doesn't have a lot of space in it. And y'all saw all of that stuff I had. I do have one black one. It's deep enough, but they only have one. And I would much rather white. And this is all that I see, really. They have this blue one right here, but it's still yet not deep enough. I don't want things to be able to fall over like they have been doing. They do have these. I was about to say this is dirty, but it's marble. I think I'll get these maybe. But this is like too small. I'm gonna have to have like 4 of them, and that'd be just way too much going on. But this cute marble. I thought it was dirty. It's actually not. Okay, y'all, so this is what I came up with. I'm trying to work with what I got. I really don't want to go to Michael's. And of course, this is the dollar store. So I got this kind of marbly looking black thing. I think I'll put like our brushes that we clean with in here, and maybe something else, I don't know. And then I got 3 of these. They're deep, but there's not that much space in here, but I got 3, and I should be able to fit everything in there. Everything I had on that counter, some of that stuff was kind of empty, and so we're gonna work with this. I was thinking, since I'm getting these colors, that I should probably change this, but I was looking for a more subtle, but the rest of this still isn't. Nobody's gonna see it. No way. Nobody's gonna see it. Okay, so we're just gonna go with this. I got this. This is what I'm getting. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm at a Dollar Tree. Let's get in the car. Okay. They mad. All right. Y'all, it's about to rain. I went into Dollar Tree, right? Something on my nose. I went into Dollar Tree. Hold on, let me sanitize my hands first. I went into Dollar Tree and I didn't have on my mask. Like, my mask was in my purse, and I completely forgot because, you know, I'm just not used to this yet. And everybody was looking at me like I was crazy, and I was wondering, like, what? Is something on my face? Like, what did I do wrong? So I realized that you don't even have your mask on. So I had to hurry up, dig in my purse, and put it on. Anyway, it's about to rain, and paid $5, well $6 for that stuff, but $5 for the stuff we doing under my sink. These birds are going crazy. And let's go home. Is that all I needed? Yeah, that's all I needed. Let's go home. Do the kitchen cabinets. Oh, I forgot what y'all talking about. Do the kitchen cabinets. Clean out the oven and cook. Maybe I should have went the other way. Better get from behind me like that. I'm rolling back. Roll it back. Alright, y'all, so I made it back home. I'm thinking maybe I needed a X-Acto knife or something like that for this. We're just gonna use scissors. We can try the best. We're gonna just try to do what we can. Nobody's gonna see it, okay? Say hi, Gummy Graham. Say hi. Hi. We can get this. You wanna smell it? Say hi. Hi. Hi, Gummy Grams. Hi, Gummy Grams. Hi, Gummy Grams. basically done. I think I did a really good job, except for the little creases and stuff. I had to take some small pieces and put them in there, but it looks better than what it looked like before. So here it is. Looks good. All right, so now I'm gonna put everything in these containers, and I'm gonna like condense some stuff because like this one's been used, this one not, so whatever is in here I can probably pour it in there, or I don't know, like this, really nothing in here. I could pour that into the soap dispenser. I think I use this, is it this one that I use for my plants, to water my plants? I think it's this one right here. I don't know, I just gotta organize things and get it organized. Alright y'all, so this is what I have so far. I put all the scrub brushes in here, all of these in here. We do have these. We don't use the dishwasher, but we do like to run it every now and then, so we have those. And then this stuff right here, and then all of the wipes and disinfectant wipes in there. But I still have this stuff left over. This is what I usually use to water my plants. Just water in there. I don't have anywhere to put this stuff. I don't have anywhere to put this, so it may just have to go on the side. Now let me put it in here. Alright y'all, I changed into a shirt that I don't care about. We're gonna go ahead and tackle this oven, and I'm gonna be using this, the SOS. So it shouldn't be that hard for me to scrub, being that it's been sitting for 2 hours, and then these are really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna clean out this stove and I'm gonna start cooking because now I'm hungry. The stove top, that'll be another day. That'll be another day. Ew. I should have left this for Brian. Ew. y'all, so I am finally done doing everything that I wanted to do today. So I hope y'all enjoy organizing, shopping, organizing, and cooking with me. So we did quite a few things today. Very productive. I didn't get to show y'all, but Brian's co-workers had him like a little shindig at work. So they got him a cake. I forgot what kind he said. I think he said raspberry cream or something like that. I'm gonna have him in peace when I finish eating. And then they got him a balloon, some balloons as well. He called me on FaceTime and he was like, look at what they did for me. They had pizza and everything. I was like, I'm not invited. Oh, it's a white chocolate raspberry cake. White chocolate. I like white chocolate. I'm not sure about raspberry. I never had a raspberry cake. So I'm actually gonna feed Graham and then I'm done. But here's the spaghetti that you guys saw me make. Easy, simple, easy. I wanted to make that yesterday for Brian's birthday because spaghetti is his favorite meal, but he was like, I don't want spaghetti. So I really wanted spaghetti, so that's why I cooked it tonight. But I'm gonna go ahead and feed Graham, and I'll talk to y'all when Brian gets home. Brian's home. And he eating, as you can see. Hey, I'm about to fix my plate. Look what he brought me home, y'all. 4 Popeyes apple pies. Y'all, I don't even eat the apple. I just eat the crust. That's the best part. I don't like cooked apples, but I love the crust. What you said, Brian? He said, do y'all want a piece of his cake? Is that what you said? He said, do y'all want a piece of his cake? Let him know down in the comments. It's a, I told y'all what it was. Cake. It's a white chocolate raspberry cake.
Man, it's good.
That spaghetti must be good too, because it's all... It must be good. It must be nice. All right, y'all, I'm about to fix my plate.